There's the difference. This is SIA. First time sumakay ng SIA, guys. Nakasakay din sa wakas ng SIA. Iba talaga yung plane ng SIA.
No, no, man, by God's grace.
Also doing the expansion. In future, maybe they were separated to two terminals. One is for domestic and one is for international. Yeah, because now our current capacity is only 6.6 million a year. So I think the government plan to expand until 12 million in year 2030. Yeah, by year 2030.
You have a big center also, right?
Yeah.
Because
Tomorrow,
the ship can come.
yeah, the operation of the sea.
Caribbean is good.
Yeah, that one is for leisure. The other one, Genting, is for gambling.
Don't go Genting.
Genting has changed so much,
4,000, 5,000, no.
Yeah.
Passengers.
I went there and then now
I went once already.
So the most now the people that goes China lah.
No, a lot of
I stay at this hotel called Mini Hotel. Where you sit down, we come to the check in. Yeah, 6 star.
which one?
Crockford Hotel. It's Genting Highlands.
Oh,
Crockford.
Not together the cruise.
No,
Yeah.
6 stars. Actually not bad lah. You don't gamble there. The shopping is on you.
6. It's more to the semiconductor. So the first investor came here is Intel. Intel now got 7 or 8 plants in Penang.
the chief minister is Chinese, right?
Chinese. Since day one independent,
Yes,
you know.
it's a Chinese.
So you see Penang is developed compared to others.
Yeah, right.
Correct. Yeah, I should tell you.
Because of the because of the performance, you
yeah,
see.
yeah.
From the first one, Mr. Omponi. Second one, Tun. Then second one is very good. It's Tun Lim Chong Yu, but delayed lah. Passed away a few years ago.
Lim Chong Yu,
He's the best chief minister lah.
Yeah, about him. Yeah.
This is the swimming pool, guys. At 13th floor sa hotel namin. Yan, kitang-kita yung view sa baba. Nakikiliti na naman yung aking talampakan. So, may mga naliligo. Dito na lang ako sa pambata, may maligo. Okay, ang lalim, ano lang, 0.45 meters. And, so, ito yun dito. Thirteenth floor. Mamaya na ako maliligo sa gabi kasi mainit. Dito ito sa kabilang side. Nasa ano lang naman kami, guys. Nasa Pinang, Malaysia. Dito sa The Granite Hotel. The Luxury Granite Hotel. Yan naman ako. Maganda sana maligo ngayon kasi wala masyadong tao. O, parang nakakatakot naman kasi ano, walang harang yung doon sa ano, sa may pool. Parang nakakatakot pag pumunta doon. Pag pumunta ako doon maligo. Malulula ako doon. So, ito yung kailangang swimwear regulation nila. Compression t-shirt, sando. Oh, okay. Pwede na yung akin. Ang swimwear yung aking dala. So, ayan lang, guys. Okay, guys, the stunning view from the rooftop of our hotel in the 24th floor. Yung talampakan ko nakikiliti. Parang hinihiwa yung tiyan ko. Oh my gosh. Nakikita na yung bridge. Yun yung bridge. Galing sa Singapore, nakikita dito.
I see that. Now China fantastic dance. Even our also the digital
This was nice too, huh?
Yeah. You also got that.
Wow.
Sometimes I go with the kids. I can hear but no more. Oh, you don't like outdoor things?
Finish!
Never go up high.
Can see. That's too short. Hey, you didn't take a look in the floor. Oh, move ready. Oh, this is the one. Oh. Nice train. Ito yung kanilang cable car. Parang train. Malis na. Eh, nasa Ta, bumalik na. Kami na naman sasakay. Kaya yung cable car nila parang train. Wow, it's very full ah. Ang cute ng cable car nila parang train. Oh. Skywalk. Ooh. Ooh, the whole Malaysia can see. Oh, this one is nice view here.
Yeah, this is better.
Yeah. Wow. It's very nice.
Go ahead.
Yeah. It's a little bit sloopy.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, here you can take
Wow,
you
nice
can
lah.
take photo here.
You're right. Not better than the
Yeah. This one is wow, look at that.
Đây những mà là
There's a monkey there.
to go up this stairs, can or not?
Okay na. Okay.
Can.
The monkey is there. Oops, jump. Oh. Sobrang nakakalola dito guys sa taas, sa Pinang Hill. Grabe, as in, nagpaakyat namin kanina. Yung tiyan ko parang hinihiwa, pero grabe, as in, super ganda pag nandito ka sa taas. Nakakaamis ang view, kitang kita lahat. Pati yung tulay, oh, galing sa Singapore, ayan, kitang kita dito. So, ayan yung view. Super duper ganda. Ang senior, kawawa ang senior. Naiwan sa baba. Woo. Sobrang init lang, grabe. Yan. Nagbubuk pa yung isa doon, magka-high tea daw kami. Oh, there's a baby monkey. Yeah?
Yeah.
Color one.
Different color.
Yeah.
It's biting the wire. Why this one they said the YouTube one?
Okay, that's the same. That's why I
Then
have
say,
no
ah.
choice. You have to take because otherwise you can't go in. I think I like this one.
This one so funny. What is that? Like ngoh yang ah?
No, it's a fried chicken burger.
Oh. One to how much to compare?
Oh yeah, please can compare.
With what?
This one is much better.
No, I didn't compare.
Oh, this one they got no.
Yeah.
They got nothing like.
Wow, very crispy.
Oh, you got to put this.
No, I'm not. I'm joking.
Okay, so
Then it sounds like
No, it's creepy. You want to open it?
ako sa supermarket. Walking distance lang from the hotel. Ang ganda nito dito, dinadaanan. Parang garden. Ganda ng bougainvillea. That's it, guys. See you Singapore later. Babalik na. Hey guys, this is the decoration here in Queen's Mall, Malaysia, Penang, Malaysia, para sa kanilang Hari Raya. Yan. Ganda ng kanilang decoration dito sa loob ng mall. Yan, so cute. Papasok tayo dito mamaya. Tapos paikot muna tayo. Ito, ang cute dito ng kanilang decoration. Yan. Full of artificial flowers. Yan. Visit Malaysia, Trolley Asia 2026. Yan, cute. Queen's Mall. Yan. Ganda ko picture kasi wala akong naka-picture. Kawawang nila lang. Mahirap pag mga seniors ang kasama. Ako lang taga-picture ng seniors. Pero ako, wala akong maraming puro selfie ang ginagawa ko. So, ayan. Ayan na lang. Mag-video na lang ako. Lang upload, guys. Sa taas yung sellings nila. Ganda. Ito pagpasok mo sa sa entrance ng kanilang Queen's Bay Mall. May Volkswagen here.